with the Cara. It's Misha Owen o Bitesize Irish. I'm Owen from Bitesize Irish. We are starting a new journey at Bitesize Irish, and we would love for you to come along with us. I love the idea of a journey around learning the Irish language. You're setting off on something big, something substantial. You can almost see the Irish language learning journey as a lifelong process, and indeed it can be. The destination is maybe not as important as the journey itself. But where do you start? Or maybe you've been wandering on your journey and you're not quite sure where you are. Maybe you're coming back to the Irish language and you'd like to dip your toes back in, but you don't know how to set off on this journey. Maybe you're already well into this journey, ag fáilim Gaeilge, ag clachta Gaeilge, learning and practicing Irish. But there's no harm in going back, stepping back and going back, and seeing if you have the foundations of the language that will stand to you later when you want to practice to speak Gaeilge with others. So at Bitesize Irish, we've got a lovely team. There's me, Owen. There's Emma, our community manager. Emma teaches Gaeilge to students at university in Germany, and she grew up near the Gaeltacht in County Waterford. We've got Siobhan, who's got a real passion for the Irish language. She teaches adults the Irish language. She runs our Bitesize BO conversation practice for Grow members. We've got Neil, who's our learning content developer. He's got experience in teaching Irish to adults in London and in Dublin. He's got university education in Old Medieval Irish and folklore, and he's a qualified translator, which gives him the precision needed to teach the language, but with that passion that he has. We all have that passion to help you on your journey of learning the Irish language. And this week we're going to tell you more about our journey, our Ashter. Ashter. I love this word. We're starting a new journey. We're building solid foundations for you so you have a structured journey for diving into the Irish language, covering the real foundations, the real fundamental concepts of the Irish language, preparing you to practice the Irish language with others. Please stay tuned this week. Slán go fóill.